time to take 8 years of dreadlocks off right now. We're gonna start with trimming the dreadlocks off with the shears. Take all them little wild hairs off their head. I started with a 3 against the grain right here. Then a 3 with the grain. Then I cut it down with a 2 with the grain. Then I put a little shampoo in there just to get it nice and clean. Use the towel to get it off. Blow dried it right here to get it nice and dry. Start with the wall 5-star seniors all the way closed right here to get the hair off the sides. Then you go through with the Andes trimmers to clean it up. Then we're gonna go right into edging up the head. I like to use a little spritz, then I dry it, and then I start lining them up. The key is doing the sides first and then working your way to the middle of the top of the head. Make them C cups perfect, man. That shit pop out for real. Now I'm gonna start with the wild 5-star seniors all the way open, no guard. Now I'm gonna hit that bottom line with the wild 5-star seniors closed. Make it neat, man, make it neat. Now halfway on that. Pick out any little spots you see. Don't leave that shit on there. Start with that 1 guard against the grain. When it comes to the fade, make like a 1-inch, demarcation. Then we're gonna go all the way close with the 1 guard on there and hit that bottom line. Now we're gonna go with the grain with the 1 guard just to smooth it out. I feel like I can call this feathering right here because I'm playing with the guard right here just to get it out. So I call it feathering. Now I'm gonna break out that chewed up ass 116 guard and start with the guard closed. I'm still waiting on StarCraft to have the guards available on their website. But I do like using it for some reason. I feel like I can get in little tight areas with that. A little freehand action right here to get the little spots out to make that fade look real clean. Now I'm gonna start with that 2 against the grain. Get those dark spots out the top of the fade out. Put that one on, go with the grain, smooth it out. You can see how just playing with that one guard, how it smoothed it out right there. Rake it a little bit, rake it a little bit. I added the enhancements right here. Everybody don't like the enhancements, but some clients like the enhancements. Look on every TV show or movie or video, whatever you want to see on TV. People like enhancements, bro. So put them in people's heads if they want them. Forget what all the other barbers say about adding enhancements, because they can be stuck in time if they want to. Some clients like enhancements, some clients don't. Anyway, subscribe to my channel, Mike Wells Faded, on YouTube, on every platform actually. Thank y'all for watching, man. I really appreciate the support, man. I've been getting a lot of subscribers, and I've been getting a lot of reactions and likes, man. I really appreciate this, man. And you can see she's pleased right here.